Yo, what is up, guys? Back with another video here. And yes, you already know, another video with the Bissell Power Force Helix Turbo Model 68C71. This is a vacuum request from Largemouth Vacuums. If you do not know who Largemouth Vacuums is, his channel is based on vacuums, cleaners, and reviews. Very, very similar to my channel. If you don't know who he is, go check out his channel, Largemouth Bass Vacuums. Search it up, subscribe to him, hit the notification bell, and that pretty much does it. Like his videos, subscribe to his channel, click the bell so you will be notified every time that he uploads a video. So do the same thing to me. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. So, this is the Bissell Power Force Helix Turbo, request by Largemouth Bass Vacuums. He wanted me to do another video of the Bissell Power Force Helix Turbo, and he really loves this vacuum. He really loves me when I do videos on this vacuum cleaner here. I will do a review on this vacuum right here. I would be doing a review on it, but soon you will be seeing no more videos on it because that vacuum right there will be going away. This vacuum will not be going away, which is a good thing. So, let's go ahead and do a vacuuming video for Largemouth Bass Vacuums. And as you can see, since I cleaned it, you can see it's dirty a little bit, but it's still pretty dang clean. But anyways, let's get vacuuming for him. So I guess here we go. You can see the carpet lines it makes. It's doing a pretty good job. Alright, Largemouth Bass Vacuums, here's your request. Largemouth Bass Vacuums, let me know what video you want me to do next, cause I'm doing like a day 1 through day 7. It's like a Christmas theme, where I do videos each day until Christmas. So your request right here, this is day 1. So let me know on what video you want me to do, what vacuum video you want me to do next, because I'll do that one tomorrow. So let me know on what vacuum you want me to do next. It could be this vacuum again. It can be the Dirt Devil Power Max. It could be the Power Force Helix, the 2191 Power Force Helix, the Power Force Compact Turbo, or it can be my Ultra Vision Turbo, which I have yet to do a video on. But the Power Groom and the Power Force Helix 1240 and the Shark Liftaway Deluxe, I'm unable to get to at the moment because I'm not at their house, obviously, so it's gonna be a while. So it could be this vacuum again, it could be the Power Force Helix Turbo, it could be the Dirt Devil Power Max, it could be my Ultra Vision Turbo, it could be my Power Force Helix 2191 Power Force Helix, it could be my Power Force Compact Turbo. So you got those vacuums that you could pick from. The other vacuums I'm just unable to get to at the moment. Hey kitty. Aww. I think you've been in some of my videos. I think so. But anyways, so largemouth bass vacuums. So let me know on what video you want me to do. Because I will do that video tomorrow. For day 2 of the week of Christmas. For day 2, because this video right here is day 1, so I'm going to do another one for day 2. So let me know on what video you want me to do next, and I'll get that video up by tomorrow. So that pretty much ends this right here. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what videos you want me to do. And until next time, peace out.